I'm the Walking Traveler, and I'm super excited that you're here with me today. And I have my Fast 5 traveling tips, helping to make your travel experience fun, fulfilling, and not frightening. So today we are going to talk about how to have a balanced vacation or how to have a balanced travel experience when you were traveling with someone else. Some people may disagree with this, but I am a strong proponent of having alone time when you go on vacation. This alone time can be a time where you do self-care, which is what I usually do. I usually go do my hair, do the sauna, do the steam room, do the whole spa treatment, or it can be just you walking every night alone. But I think alone time is very important on vacation because that separation, having that separated time gives you a time to reflect, gives you a time to just be with yourself. And if you are married or you come from a place where there's a lot of people in your house, you have a big family, sometimes you never get that alone time. You're always in the room with someone. And that alone time can be a great way for your body to refresh and just be back centered.